Experience the best New Year 2025 events in London. New Year is an unforgettable experience, and I'm here to guide you through the best ways to celebrate. Let's explore 6 amazing tips to make your night truly special. The New Year fireworks at the London Eye are a must-see. Be sure to book your tickets early and arrive on time to secure the perfect viewing spot. Celebrate in style with a Thames River cruise. Enjoy delicious food, live music, and unbeatable views of the fireworks from the river. London's festive markets and light displays are magical this time of year. Don't miss Covent Garden, Winter Wonderland, and the Christmas lights on Oxford Street. Get into the holiday spirit with some ice skating. Somerset House and the Natural History Museum offer stunning skating experiences. London is full of parties and live music events on New Year's Eve. From rooftop celebrations to themed venues, there's something for everyone. All the excitement, unwind at Grand Plaza Serviced Apartments in Bayswater. Their spacious, comfortable rooms are perfect for a relaxing stay, and they're close to London's top attractions. London has so much to offer on New Year's Eve. Let me know which event you're most excited about in the comments. And don't forget to book your stay at Grand Plaza Serviced Apartments for the perfect New Year retreat. See you next time!